Going to be the biggest TNT explosion I have ever done in the history of Minecraft. And I'm gonna move the pig out the way. Never mind. Now watch this. Let's watch the explosion. I fly over to it. I can see what TNT is, and dang! That was. Hang on. And there we go. That was insane. Really insane. I can't do it anymore because it's just blown up pretty much everything. Except for this. This was like, this is supposed to be like how many creepers it would take to defeat a blaze. Now that was only one. And then I tried how many creepers would it take to defeat Enderman. You know what? I'll just show you. Okay. Creeper. Dang it. Didn't spawn. Okay, there we got the blaze. And the creeper. Watch this. Close enough. If it gets close enough, it actually kills it in one blow. Watch. Dang it. It's the wrong thing. Here we go. Nope. Now, there's just spawn another blaze, not another creeper. I just almost spawned two blazes. Okay. See? You can actually hear it getting hurt. Sorry, I was at it too low. Okay, let's spawn another creeper. I'm getting tired of having to do this. Blaze again, nope. There we go. See, you just went out to the blaze. So whatever you do, never get a creeper shot by a blaze. Otherwise, it's gonna go to the blaze and it's gonna. Okay, let me slow down. Never get a creeper shot by a blaze. Otherwise, it's gonna go after the blaze and blow itself up. See? No, wait, that was 2 hits. You saw that too. Okay. Let's hope it hits a creeper. It's 1 hit. See that? 1. Now the Enderman, it takes so many more. The last time I had an Enderman in it. You know what? Let's try it with zombie pigmen. And I guess I could add a couple iron golems or 2. So this is black iron, and a pumpkin. Or jack-o'-lantern. I'll go with the jack-o'-lantern. I like jack-o'-lanterns better. I ran out of swiftness. I'm not gonna put it back. I really need it right now. Dang it. I keep messing up. There we go. Dang it. Ah. Oh, there goes the blaze. It's dead. 1 hit. Let's try. Let's let me pigmen. Huh. Look at that. Oh. I feel stupid right now. Look at that. Iron Golem is just going after everything. 1 hit. I got hit by the creeper though. Let's see what happens if you. Let's see what happens with a group of them. Oh, just the one. I guess. Okay, Enderman. Another Enderman, because I wasn't paying attention. No, I'll just keep adding Enderman till it dies. How when you Leave a comment when it dies. And, you know, I forget it. I'm here today. That's dead. What it? Yeah. Now let's make another one. 2 more, maybe. Okay. 1, 2. There we go. It just seems really stupid to do this, right? It seems even more stupid to make a creeper fight an Enderman. It's gonna be really hard. Okay, blaze. Blazes. Blazes, 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 blazes. I'm spawning a lot because it's fun. It's fun to see the iron golems try to get the blazes while they're shooting. Okay, here's the other one. Sorry about the yawn. It's like 4 in the morning. I was waiting for you to come down here. I'm gonna get you. The other one's just staring at it. I was like, get down here. Get down here. Not just both staring at it. Yeah. Okay. We'll get it down there. Hey. Hey. It's dead. You guys want some more fights? Yes. Okay, I had some more. It just flew. And oh yeah, creeper versus Endermen. Watch how many creepers explosions it take. You really suck. Let's spawn a creeper, make it explode, iron golem. Explode! There. Now let's see how many explosions it takes to kill an Enderman. 1. Get. This is why I was inside that box. 2 explosions. Oh, last time it took like 6. 2 Endermen. Okay, 1 got hit, so it counts as 1 explosion. Get over it. Oh, 1 fell. They both died from. Oh, 1 died from fall damage. And the other one just died from the explosion. 3 Endermen. Now, I don't know exactly how much heart they had. No, they had 40 hearts. 44 hearts, I believe. Okay. I took 3 because the other ones, you know what, unlimited. I don't even know how many Endermen this is. I'm gonna just spawn a whole bunch of creeper. I'm gonna just spawn creeper. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Creeper. Creeper. No, I had the Enderman. And some of the Endermen are dead. I hate when the Endermen just stand there and they get exploded. See, they just jump. One of them just jumped. I'm looking at you, man. Now you jumped. And get it? Eat dead. And these 3 about to be dead. Got the freaking creeper about to. Dang it! Freaking Enderman! Well, 3 died anyway. 3 died regardless. Doesn't have to be this one. Not yet. Now I'll just get all the endermen in one place. Now I added more endermen. And creeper. Dang it. What the heck? That wouldn't explode. You see that too, right? See? Watch. Friggin' creeper. Get. Watch. Watch the creeper. Let's watch the creeper. Let's watch the creeper. I'm not really doing anything right now. So. This is all the endermen. There we go. And now they're back to exploding. So I'm gonna fly up. And then spawn. I can't spawn anymore. I go lower. And then spawn it. And then, dang it. Fly up. The creeper hit it. Dang it. Freaking creeper, stop moving. Okay, the creeper should have exploded by now. Okay, is that all the... No, there's like 3 more. That's just walking around. Okay, they're gone. So, guys, that's it for my video. I'm gonna record more later when it's back to nighttime. Thank you. Please subscribe and leave a comment on the video. See you later.